Hey, what's up programmers, my name is Proxy and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a custom IP for the Minecraft server set up in the last video. So this is pretty easy. All you want to do is go to this website, freedns.afraid.org, go ahead and click subdomains. Now this will take you to a login page. And we are now on the subdomains page. So now what you want to do is go ahead and click add a subdomain, and it will have your IP in here. Now the subdomain is basically what you want it to be called. So say I wanted it to be Proxy Minecraft server dot blah 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 blah. I'd type in Proxy Minecraft server, then in the domain section I would put in the one I want. For this I'll just put moo.com. You'll be stuck with this, but it is free, so why not? And type A, don't change any of that. Destination will be your IP, which I've blocked out. Then here just type in the wildcard, so should be correct, and we've now got this domain. Now this is what you'll give other people to join your server on. You cannot join on this because it will be like connecting to, it will be like trying to get through the front door to enter your house from inside of your house. It doesn't make much sense and it won't work. So only send this to your friends and they will be able to join with it. You won't. So that's basically how to do that. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.